If I told you that some freelancers are earning over $100,000 a year without using Fiverr or Upwork, would you believe me? It might sound hard to believe, but it's true. So in today's video, I'm going to show you 3 of the best freelancing platforms you should consider if you're serious about making money online in 2026. I'll explain exactly how each platform works. By the end of this video, you'll know which platform matches your skills and experience, and you may even discover a better alternative to the websites everyone else is fighting over. So let's get started with platform number 1. Let's start with the most exclusive platform on today's list, Toptal. Unlike most freelancing websites where almost anyone can create an account, Toptal has a strict screening process.
At first, that number might sound intimidating. You may even think, there's no way I could get accepted. But here's something important to understand. Toptal is trying to make things difficult just for the sake of it. The company serves businesses that are willing to pay premium prices because they want highly skilled professionals they can trust. Toptal protects that reputation by carefully selecting the freelancers it allows onto the platform. That exclusivity creates one of the biggest advantages of working through Toptal. Instead of competing with thousands of freelancers charging the lowest possible price, you're entering a marketplace where clients already expect to pay professional rates. So, what if you're a graphic designer, a video editor, a copywriter, or someone who's still building experience? Is there a platform where you can keep more of your earnings, showcase your work, and connect with clients without constantly competing on price? That's where our second platform comes in, Contra. Contra has become one of the fastest-growing freelancing platforms, and it's gaining attention for one very important reason. It doesn't charge freelancers commission fees on their earnings. On many freelancing websites, if you complete a $1,000 project, the platform takes a percentage before the money reaches your account. With Contra, the goal is different. That alone has attracted thousands of freelancers from around the world. But that's only part of the story. What really makes Contra different is the way clients find freelancers. Instead of spending hours every day sending proposals and hoping someone notices you, Contra encourages freelancers to build a professional portfolio that showcases their best work. Now let's talk about the kinds of services that perform well on Contra. If you're a graphic designer creating logos, brand identigraphics, you'll fit right in. If you're a video editor producing YouTube videos, TikToks, Instagram Reels, or commercials, there's plenty of demand. Writers, copywriters, designers, UX designers, motion graphic artists, marketers, virtual assistants can all find opportunities here. Now let's answer the question everyone wants to know. How much can you actually earn? The answer depends on your skills, your experience, and the value you provide. Many beginners start charging somewhere between $30 and $50 per hour. As they gain experience and positive client reviews, those rates often increase to $75. If you're a creative professional or someone planning to become one, Contra deserves a place on your shortlist. But we're not finished yet. Now it's time for the third and final platform on today's list. And if you're looking for something that's easing access to international clients, this platform deserves your attention. It's called PeoplePerHour. PeoplePerHour has been around for many years and has built a strong reputation by connecting businesses with freelancers from around the world. What makes it unique is that it combines features from multiple freelancing platforms. You can create fixed-price service packages, similar to product listings, or you can submit proposals for projects. That flexibility is one of the biggest reasons many freelancers enjoy using PeoplePerHour. You're not locked into just one way of finding work. Now let's talk about the types of skills that are in demand. Video editors, web developers, SEO specialists, translators, virtual assistants, social media managers, AI specialists, professionals can all find opportunities here. Freelancing is a marathon, not a sprint. If you stay consistent, continue improving your skills, and focus on delivering real value, opportunities will come.
If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss future videos about freelancing, online business, and making money online.